going to the Sepang International Circuit.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. 不要啦。
Oh, it's not mine, right?
What's wrong with your car?
It feels like the front absorber or tie rod is loose.
Mana tak perlu jack?
Windshield already. Three of us. Mr. Food Panda.
Yes.
Did you come here to deliver food or did you come here for the track day?
Sorry if your food is late today. I come late track day. We take picture over. Sit tight.
Drama.
Apa sejuk? Alah.
Reza, please introduce this event. My YouTube channel.
Oh, hello. Tonight's the MSF track day, our second one this year.
Can I register for passenger?
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, what a shit show.
Hey, can you help me open the helmet?
Open what?
Helmet. The helmet. Fuck, man. Park it off. Hi, bro. Alright, thanks. Thanks. Wait, don't open the window.
your lap?
Oh, it was pretty good. Suspension's a bit soft, tires are not as the most previous, but overall I think it's a good experience. Track's nice, everybody's driving good, no funny driving whatsoever. Really satisfied. Alright, awesome, thanks man.
Brian,
Yo, what's up?
how was your lap?
Okay, so first time in Sepang, I'm not even driving my own car.
Very loud, very loud. Yeah.
Alright, so first time in Sepang, I'm not even driving my own car. I'm driving Azrin's car. It's a Civic FC Turbo, CVT. Good man over there. So, yeah, I'd like to say thanks, for letting me drive his car. It's quite a fun experience. I'm still learning the lines, I'm still learning the track, doing the braking zones and all, because this is my first time in Sepang, right? So, I look forward to having more seat time. Eventually, when we get into our real track car, you guys will see it's coming soon enough, hopefully. For now, I'm just trying to just get a decent timing. Our GPS is a bit off, so it's showing like 3 minutes and 10 seconds. So hopefully that is not correct. We'll see. Not much hard targets today. We just want to have fun and we just get more experiences.
Good luck.
Seconds later.
What happened?
Someone crashed on track.
Oh shit. Oh. Hey, damn duck.
Con mình chứ người thế này bằng dầu. Rồi con đó.
The last lap I fucking drifted the corner.
This still the first clean lap. That was out lap.
Okay, thank you. Okay.